Been a long time I've been in front of here, huh? Well, good morning. What's good, y'all? It's your girl Kera Jaay, and I'm here with another video for you finally after a long ass almost 3 months of not recording anything because my ass has been all over the place. I swear to you, I have tried to record. I promise you. I've tried to record at least like 3 videos in the last 2 months, and I was just not feeling them, so I never uploaded them, never edited them. I ended up throwing them out. So I apologize for being gone for 2 months, 2.5 months, almost 3 months, but I will try not to do that again. I'm trying to get my life under control. I'm trying to get a schedule popping in my life so I can actually fit my videos back up into my life and not neglect you guys and put you to the side like you're just some side bitch that I don't care about, because that's not the case. If you are wifey, I've just been too busy for you right now. I'm sorry. Anyway, today is actually my 18-month update, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, January 26th. Sounds about right. So I've had my locks for 18 months. Mind you, every time I get a lock update for you guys, my hair is scruffy, and that's just how it happens to be. I apologize for that. That's just how it is. I haven't been in the mood to do my hair. I washed it a few days ago, and I have not retwisted it. So I have a whole afro going on. Back up a little bit so you can see my whole afro going on. I have a whole afro going on. So I'm going to show you my hair, kind of talk about it a little bit. As you can see, I haven't done shit. This little curve and shit, I haven't done shit. The most recent thing that I've done to my hair is color it, and that was maybe a month ago now. Yeah, about a month and a half ago, I colored my hair. I use different colors that I usually use. I use the Argan Oil color by One and Only, if I'm not mistaken. That's the brand. It comes in a brown tube. I don't actually have any of it with me because I finished it all, but it's a semi-permanent, and I mixed a teal and a magenta together to make the color that's in my hair. This is not true to color anymore. It was a lot more vibrant and more purple, but I've washed it twice since I've had it in my hair, and it's holding up really, really well. I liked how the color worked. I liked how it smelled. It's staying really well. Like, I don't need to color it for like another month or so. So it's holding up really, really well. And what else can I talk about my hair? 18 months. Still here. I haven't been doing anything to it. As you can see, like, I literally have an afro going on right now. Like, literally an afro. Like, legitimately an afro. Like, I could cut all of my locks off and have a TWA right now, because I have not retwisted, and I've been too lazy to retwist, and I need to, because it's going to start interfering with my life. But for now, it's fine, and I don't care very much. So I'm going to give you a length check, which is kind of inaccurate because I need to actually retwist my hair, but I'm taking from the very bottom row so you can just see how long they are now. Get on my tippy toes so you can actually see. So my collarbone's here, so it's about 1.5 inches, about 1.5 inches, about 1.25 inches past my collarbone now. Pretty even on both sides. In the front. Do you remember when this was like this short? Like, I was looking at old pictures of my hair and old videos of my hair. Like, I literally watched my first video that I had with locks when I was in Dominica, and I was like, holy shit, like, my hair is shrunken so much. And the fact that my hair is not shrunken right now and it's this long is pretty ridiculous. Like, my hair was like this short when I first started them. So my hair's grown more than this. It's just shrunk up to this point since I started them. Not last July, but the July before that, because this year will be my 2 year. So yeah. Okay, this is what my hair looks like. Disregard my afro, okay? I know it's an afro. I know it's crazy. I know it's big. I know it's unorganized. But see how well my retwists stay? Like, my parts stay really nice when I don't retwist. When I just wash and don't retwist, like, you can actually still see all my lines, which is why I don't feel like I need a retwist right now. But let me back it up. You can see how my hair is falling. I don't even know if I'm in a frame. But, so my hair looks like from the back. You can see what it's doing, how it's how it's falling, how it looks. My hair's hella thick, like hella thick, and it's kind of annoying. It makes me not want to retwist my hair, but I've kind of been giving my hair a break to not retwist it every month. For this month anyways, I probably will. Well, I mean, I didn't retwist it last month at all, so yeah, I probably won't go a whole other month retwisting. Like I said, I'm probably going to retwist my hair this week, maybe even tomorrow, I don't know, depends how I feel. But my hair texture is so curly that like I actually need to retwist it like every month for it to actually lock, because if I were to keep going without, let's see if I can pull in more and stay kind of in frame. If I were to keep going and not retwist, like this would just not lock. Like look at how curly my hair is. Like my hair wouldn't lock. So I need to retwist my hair every month for my locks to keep locking, because otherwise I will just be stuck with all this long, loose, natural afro hair that you can see that I have popping right now. So I need to retwist every month. I've confirmed that with my hair texture. I didn't think I needed to, but I actually do, because I feel like the curly hair that's coming in is really, really fine. I mean, I always knew my hair is fine at the front, but after going a month without retwisting, I'm actually realizing how fine my hair is at the front of my head, and that I really should retwist it, because I don't want my locks to thin out. Like you can see, it's looking a little bit thin. This new growth hair that I need to pop into there and make a happy family with my locks. So there's that. I came across a couple posts on Facebook with people's hair not growing into their lock, and I thought that was really strange. But from what I can tell, all my hair grows into my locks, which I'm really happy about, because I would be really cheesed if my hair was growing and it was just not growing in my locks, and that would just create so much more problems for me. So all my hair grows in my locks, thankfully. I'm still the only person that's, can you chill? I'm still the only person who's ever been in my head. I'm still the only person who's ever colored my hair. I'm still the only person who has washed my hair. Still haven't trusted anybody in it. I honestly hate my camera. I honestly hate it. So it's like, oh, we're covering data, please wait. And it cuts me off, and I'm like, what the fuck? I have some shit to say, and y'all are just cutting me off like I'm some bitch. Like, what are you doing? This is the second time I woke up this morning. The first time I woke up, I was gonna go to school, and I was like, I didn't get enough sleep. I woke up with a headache, and I was like, let me go back to sleep. So this is the second time I woke up, so I'm in a better mood. My headache's gone, and life is fine. So yeah, what was I saying? My camera cut me off. Rude. Hair. Yeah, there's really nothing for me to say. My hair hasn't done anything. I still wash it like every 3 weeks. Every 3 to 4 weeks. I still condition. The last time I washed it, I didn't condition my hair because I didn't feel like my hair needed it. Even though it's winter, like I don't feel like my hair is extra dry. Like it's dry, of course, because it's winter, but it's not like, oh my god, my hair is breaking off. Like my hair is not breaking off. Like if I watch like 5 locks fall out of my head, that'd be so funny. But like, I don't even know if you can see that one little broken shed hair on my thumb. Like my hair does not break. I don't know why it's so resistant, but I'm happy about it because it doesn't create me problems. But my hair does not break. So me being lazy with my hair works. I don't spray my hair with water often at all. Maybe once every 2 or 3 weeks when I remember. And that'd be my water oil mix that I showed you guys in previous videos. But it's too freaking cold. I'm not spraying my hair to go outside for my hair to freeze off. It's not happening. I live in Canada, okay? It's winter. It's straight winter. It's actually alternating between spring and winter because our freaking weather's retarded. But no, I'm not spraying my hair. I'm not, okay? I don't care. I'm not moisturizing my hair. I don't care. My hair is still growing. I don't care. I do not care. I'm not, no. When it gets warmer, I will start spraying my hair again, being better with my hair. But it's winter. I'm not getting myself sick to have moisturized hair, okay? No, that's not happening. That's not what I'm doing. That's not what we're doing here. That's not the vibe. That's just not what's going on. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to put it together and put it up for you guys because It's been so long, and I really don't feel like I need to edit anything out of this video. I know you guys missed me, so I'm just gonna leave this video like this, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. 18 months. Represent 18 months in 2018. 18 is my favorite number, so 2018 is gonna be lit. I'm gonna try and get these updates for you every month on the day that I need it to be up, which is the 26th of every month. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys missed my face. I know some of y'all tell me you miss my face, but yeah, that's it. That's my 18-month lock update. Ain't shit been popping. I've been neglecting my hair and it's been growing like weeds, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that go fish. I know y'all heard about this new YouTube rule business jazz situation that you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4K hours or 4K minutes of watch time, something like that, for you to keep being able to monetize your stuff. So I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so if y'all want to help me, if you haven't already, please subscribe so I can continue to monetize my stuff, keep the content coming out for you guys, keep myself motivated, and get more videos out so you guys can keep up with me and my hair and my life and all that fun stuff. So I'm done rambling. Alright, I will see y'all in my next video, and I thank you so much for watching.